In front of me is REALME 11 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Following that, tap on one-handed mode and click on the grey sweater next to it to activate it. You need to set up Gestures navigation to use this mode. As you can see, mine is now on. In order to enter it, swipe down from the bottom of your screen. If you wish to go back, swipe up or click on this dark area at the top. You can also disable it completely by choosing the same now blue sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!